Hello, in front of me I've got FC25. In this video I'll show you best easy tricks. Let's start with roll ball. To roll ball, simply run in the wanted direction and hold the analog upwards or downwards. Next, we can use heel flick. In order to do it, run in the wanted direction and next push analog right left. Next, we can use simple flick. In order to perform simple rainbow flick, push the analog left, right and left. You can also add additional movement to make it more advanced. In order to make it more advanced, in the middle of the process, hold analog and then press it again, just like this. You have to time it correctly, because then, if you didn't, the player will lose the ball. Next, we can use roulette. In order to perform roulette, we have to roll the right analog. If you're running to the right side of the pitch, push the analog left and roll it. If you're running to the left side of the pitch, push the analog right and low it. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.